Hi Librans, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Essentials Running. Let's start with your reading, though timeless, but right from 5th of July till 11th of July 2021. Many of you are hoping for the best in something, and I feel like you're going to get it. Okay, whatever it is. You applied for something, you are preparing for something, you are getting into that competition, you're giving exam, anything that is connected with your soul purpose right now. That's your journey basically, and you're hoping for the best, and I feel like you're going to get it. And I saw, and you won, okay, and you won. Sorry, apologize. This is trying to tell me that you are actually, it's kind of like inauguration for some of you. You might be having certain kind of inauguration here. You're celebrating something here. You are also having kind of like a ribbon here, which is in like Olympics and big level games and everything. And while you are having that race and you cross it like with open arms and you just move through that, and the ribbon goes like up in the air, and you are all in, you are getting praises. That kind of energy I saw. Some of you found out something and it's working great. Intuition, your mind and heart, they are all in alignment. You figured out something, okay? Basically you figured out, and that's why you won. Something that was dramatic, that was SHIT, that was crap. Maybe it's with Capricorn, maybe any sign, but the energy is kind of that. It's also something that you might be getting attracted to. So this attraction is about, possible it's a habit or pattern, but I kind of get this vibe of like attraction here of some sort, okay? And there is also something that you are hiding from someone. I don't know from whom, because you're hoping for the best. I don't know what, but it is coming. But you won is a very positive note, something that you are completing, like some mission is complete, something project that you worked on, and now you're getting rewards for that. Basically you won and you're getting appreciated. That's what I saw, like applaud, like from the sides. Maybe really you are into something like here, and then you're getting it. Some of you are playing hide and seek. Now this may be you, this may be the person. So maybe Capricorn, maybe Gemini. Maybe this is involvement of you or someone's involvement in your life. However, this may be your current relationship and you won. So you won someone's heart, possible. Or this may be something connected with the relationship, okay? You both are happy. But I don't know why there is something that is hidden. I'm not saying that every relationship has something hidden and secret, but kind of getting like with this card attraction. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense, right? But it makes sense when you're talking intuitively and psychic, so I kind of get this vibe. Yes, there is someone on your mind, I feel, or someone in someone's mind you are. Some of you are in relationships, like really married. There may be another apart from Libra. This is your card, but kind of like you're channeling something in your life. There is a very sharp, not rude, sharp communication, very clear communication, I feel, within the relationship or with someone, I feel. Some of you like got married. Some of you are having certain conversation with someone. Again, possible a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, okay? There's a bloom of something, I feel, and you won. Now that goes different, Maybe it is going to align with these messages. Maybe it is something else in your life, like something that you are appearing in and you're going to go, wow, I did it so nice, kind of. Okay, it's so cool energy, but there is a high manifestation, and there is also something that you are in right now, getting into. This may be someone you feel like connected to, or you might be feeling like kindred spirits. There is also certain kind of experience that you are going with someone new and it's joining your life, or you are joining their life. This may be something that you are celebrating, get together, and there are things with you and sources with you, kind of, and you are like basically collecting, packing, or you're just going and having fun with your friends, possible. It does involve like drinking and all, possible, or just like drinking water, Coke, you know, anything sweet or something, but this is a sweet time, I feel. And someone misses you. If this is some connection also, okay, like being with kindred spirits. Let's see. For some, this may be judgment and kindred spirits coming together, which may be the case of reunions here. 5 of Swords energy. I said that something is not right, though you might be feeling winning, you know, enjoying everything, but someone over here is either missing you, or this may be the energy of having this line drawn, like, you know, you might be feeling little bit inside in this time, okay, or maybe you're feeling that they don't understand you. If you are already with someone, you might be having that feeling of like they don't understand you. Who doesn't understand you? This kind of energy, when the other person feels or situation feels like it's war or cold war and you both are not speaking, but exactly this is not the thing. Like it's not war actually. Feels like, but it's not war. Kind of, no one is winning in this situation basically, or maybe you're feeling that you're being taken for granted. I feel that you are also connecting, because I said that there are friends joining or new friendship blooming, kind of. Feels like, you know, you're impressed or you're impressing someone, or you both are doing like you're on the same run, okay? It's like a same run, kind of like you feel like connection, okay? Now again, this may be love, this may be connections, or soulmate, twin flame, or just friendship, you know, companionship kind of energy. When you're feeling happy, talking with some energy here, you feel like, oh, I won, kind of, okay? Again, there might be Aquarius, possible, okay, or all the signs that I gave you. I feel like maybe someone is drawing the line here, or you miss talking to them. This person might be making you feel this, or this may be just your own thing, like you want to win something big, okay? This may be fame, kind of like, you know, the celeb life kind of energy. However, I feel like person who is famous in their own small field is also celeb. For me, I feel like that's fame, okay? You're happy, you're grounded, okay? Why you want drama? Stay away from drama. That's if you are getting involved in certain kind of drama, don't get involved in that, because they don't care if there are energies, okay? Someone is like having very creepy smile here. However, this is also someone, again, and emotionally getting connected. I feel with the 8 of Wands energy, this is the sign of like you're going to get into more conversation. There's also some type of unorganized trip or some travel on your part, okay, to the place where there's water, and you're going to dip your feet in that. I want to ask that what's on this 5 of Swords? You're missing talking to someone, or is it like you want to fill up that hole or glass of something? Let's see. Okay, so you have Page of Cups energy, but it's reversed. This may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This may be Piscean. This may be an Aquarius, and you have 5 of Cups. You are either missing someone or disappointed from someone emotionally. Okay, and I feel like it's very hard for you in this time frame. Possible it's happening from some time. Like this will be understood as an individual by you if it is going. Okay, it feels though like they don't understand your emotions, or they don't understand your emotion the way they used. Now you have Page of Cups reversed on 5 of Swords. Something that you can't accept, unacceptable situation here. Or maybe you are just stopping yourself like, I should not message this person. Or you might not be getting reciprocation here. or someone who is making you emotionally, stay here, stay kind of, let's see. Heavy energy, you're missing someone. And it's like something is becoming kind of like an aura for you, which means, now this can go vice versa, these are general readings, but I feel like I feel like you feel there's an aura, and this should be there, kind of like a habit or something that comes in the realm, in your aura, basically. So you have again the star card, so there may be heavy Aquarius card, or Aquarius sign, sorry, in your life. Okay, I feel something is happening. You are missing someone and it doesn't make sense to you if you are in relationship, or you're emotionally upset because of them, and it's like maybe someone said cuz, and that is not the reason. Cuz what? Cuz. Okay, then you have the sun. You have high expectations, but something is happening which is making you feel a little scorchy here, or something is getting warm inside your heart. Emotions, of course, this may be Leo, but sun, you want to talk to them, but you have 9 of Swords and it doesn't make sense why you want to talk. If you are in connection with someone, then if not, then again you have someone on your mind, which is this person, and it feels though it's around. Okay, you have high emotions, those are coming in fruition. Something is upsetting, I don't know what. Some conversation that you had, argument, or something that you feel and you are unable to express that. You have Knight of Rods. Okay, kind of got the vibe of King of Rods. Okay, I don't know, but Knight of Rods is here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius reversed. It's like maybe this task is all about how to express, but your overall energy is, and I won. So maybe this is about someone won your heart, or you want to win someone's heart. However, this is beyond that ribbon. You need to cross that. Okay, so this is kind of race. There are emotions and high vibrations. I'm going to use my own deck and then I'm going to dig deep with the Rider-Waite. Okay, there is someone in the territory, and they may be High Priestess or something, like your intuition is telling you something, or there may be someone as in like this kind of energy. You don't know why you are feeling this, whatever you are feeling. Something is unfinished, possible in your life with someone. And you have the attached card as Finale. Oh my god, other two, I felt heavy energy with this. But finale of something. Whoa. Oh, why I said whoa. Look, I said unfinished is in finale. So possible this is race actually. Okay, you're participating somewhere, or this is some project. Again, anything is there and this is going to be getting finished, finale. So some of you are going to be getting stress-free. Okay, your hard work is going to pay, and this is what your creative approach is going to pay off. The sun, hopefully. Okay, and the star, and you get it. But I feel you are getting way emotional. Also, after completion of this, you're going to have tears, but of happiness. Okay, you're going to possibly cry here, but of happiness. Okay, I achieved it, kind of. However, regarding love, there's also again something is unfinished, and there's going to be finale. You have that question of do they care? Oh my god, missing you. So someone is missing you, you're missing someone here. That goes with Page of Cups reversed as well. Someone is checking someone's status here. Too much in a row. So maybe you are missing someone and you're checking someone's status, or however goes vice versa. Because I feel in your future call, you're going to have a lot of conversation with either an Aquarius, or some of your desires will come true, like you want to get in contact and it's going to go further. 8 of Wands, there's a heavy movement here. Again, someone might be checking that you're online, or this goes that way, both sides, right? Come home. Someone is missing you and they're saying come home. Or um, come home is the energy of like, come home and love me, baby. Someone is sorry, someone may be asking you, come home, apology, or you may be asking, I'm sorry, come home. There's someone who's upset. You're taking break, you're on break, retreat, vacation, holiday, whatever. But Four of Swords energy is also taking time to think about this. Okay, someone thought a lot and then returning home, come home, possible. What's with this Aquarius card? Someone is having feelings or you are having feelings here. On the Star card and Aquarius card, you have King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe. And if this is your own vibe and you might be the male listening here, however, this can go vice versa. You have 10 of Wands. You have responsibility here on your shoulders and you're just hiding behind it and you're going to drop it. Okay, something that you need to say to this person. Wheel of Fortune is reversed. Not the right time to say something to this person. King of Rods. As I said, when I said Knight of Rods, King of Wands. I mean Rods, Wands, same. Fire, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel if you are connected with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius here, then there may be something that you are going through as an individual and they might not understand it. Because Wheel of Fortune is something is not going as planned here, okay, which may be connected with this particular energy, as in your life, like you're going go, you know, everything is fine, you're enjoying, but someone over here is not realizing that something is going different, like reverse something, okay. And someone is waiting for you to call, someone is waiting for you to return, someone is waiting to spend certain event with you. Okay, so you have Three of Wands. You desire certain connection, certain talk. Again, I took out one card on 10 of Wands. What's that? So you have the Lovers. Someone is tired of something, tired of relationship duties or stress here, or someone is like, oh, I'm drained, and someone does want to drop that for time being in order to, again, energize themselves. And someone is upset with that you're not taking their responsibility or not thinking about them. And if there is someone in the picture, which to me is the Lovers, possible some of you are married, some of you are not, then again in relationship, and if not, there might be someone you are getting attracted to. However, with the 10 of Wands energy, there is something that you really want to right now drop so that you can think about your own dreams. What's in future? What's in future? You have faithfulness. You being true and faithful to someone, to your partner, to your friend, to your energies around, to your family members, parents. But there is faithfulness. Okay? And there is reunion. Faithful reunion with the person you love and you adore and you miss. And they are, as I said, something is getting delayed or not going that way, but then again, reunion is the call of like, you are saying, I'm sorry, apology is also here, come home is also here, you're returning home and they're happy. Okay, what's on Aquarius card? What are those feelings? Something is, there's a birth, there's child. So maybe this is with your wife, you have already child or children around you, or this may be news of that. or this may be something else, because I talked about with the star card. Something is a destiny, something is you're being blessed. Someone is pregnant if your partner is pregnant, okay? This, oh, okay. And then you have high things laying in the foundation in the coming time. Again, with the child on the star, I feel this is birth of new relationship, possible, or connection. Okay, so take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.